A lot of friends of mine are very good in trading on Wix. Why? How they are good in trading on Wix? Because they understand how Wix can actually help us in taking a very good trade. Let's check this out. Market coming down, created a low, right? Then came up back again, but created, what is this? A lower high. But where is this lower high created? It's created in the wick area of the last swing. You see this? It's created in the wick area of the last swing. So as soon as they see that the market is creating a wick area, a bearish momentum from the last available wick area, which was this one, market entered into it and then came down. So people become alert who are on the wick rejection entries. They become alert and they take the trade as soon as they see the momentum going bearish with a red candle or so. Of course, the stop loss always have to be the safest. That is why they keep the highest stop loss. But yes, as you know, the market will always go down and make an extreme low in this short. So this type of trades can give you very high and very good trade TPs, take profits. All right. The same example, let's see for the bullish trade. Market from down made a high. After making the high, it came down in the same wick area. This wick area acted almost same like an order block, and from this wick area market went up. As soon as the market saw the correct resistance gotten broken, entered into the market, the wick area extreme as the stop loss, and the extreme TP, of course, it's gonna be higher high next. So you have to keep the extreme high as your TP. All right, perfect, understood. Let's move ahead.